In this video, you will learn how to use the Lists feature in the library catalog. You can create a variety of specific lists to keep track of items you're interested in but not yet ready to check out or place on hold. For instance, you might want to create a to-be-read list or lists of items you want to check out eventually that are related to specific topics or hobbies. Your imagination is the limit. Your lists are private and cannot be viewed by anyone else. You can get to the My Lists feature through the catalog. To get to the catalog from our website, go to either the My FCPL or Browse drop-down menus. You must be logged into your account to save a list. You can do this either before or after you create a list. To log into your account, go to the menu at the top right of the catalog screen and click on Log In. Enter your library card number and PIN in the pop-up window, then click Login. To create a list, click on My Lists at the upper right of the screen. Then click on the notebook icon with the plus sign next to it. Give your list a name and click Create. Once you've created a list, you can easily add items to it. When you're searching the catalog and you find an item you'd like to add to a list, click on the title to open the details page for that item. Next, in the Select an Action drop-down, click on Add to My Lists. Choose the list you want to add the item to, then click Add. You will receive a confirmation message. You can close that message by clicking the X next to it. If you start adding items to My Lists before logging into your account, those items go into a temporary list. You'll be able to email, print, or place holds on the listed items, but this list won't be saved once you leave the catalog, unless you log into your account. If you would like to save a temporary list, log into your account, view the temporary list, then select Save Temporary List from the Select an Action drop-down. In the box that pops up, enter a name for the list, then click Save. The list you've created will appear on the left side of the screen along with any other lists you may have created. To view a list you've created, you can always go to My Lists and then click on the name of the list you'd like to look at on the left side of the screen. Then you'll be able to see all the items you've added to that list. You can easily request an item by clicking on the Place Hold button next to it, choosing your pickup library, and clicking Place Hold to submit the request. If you want to delete an item from a list, you can do so by checking the box next to the item, then going to the Select an Action drop-down and clicking Delete Selected. You'll be asked to confirm the deletion. If you want to move an item from one list to another, you can check the box next to the item, go to the Select an Action menu, click on Move, then select the list you would like to move the item to. If you added any items to your temporary list before logging into your account, you can easily move them to one of your saved lists this way. You can also add the same items to another list by selecting the item with a check mark, choosing Copy from the Select an Action dropdown, selecting the list you would like to copy the item to, and clicking on Copy to finish the process. If you want to email some or all of the items from a list to yourself or someone else, check the box next to the items you want to share, go to the Select an Action dropdown, select Email, enter an email address, then click Send Email. If you'd like to delete a list, within My Lists, check the box next to the list to be removed. Then click on the notebook icon with the minus sign next to it. You will be asked to confirm if you want to delete the list. If you do, click Delete. This has been an introduction to using the Lists feature in the library catalog. If you would like more information or need assistance, please call 600-7323 or contact your local branch librarian. They'll be happy to help.